Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Honey. So, today we are going to do a general love reading. Okay, this is a timeless reading, guys. So, if you have come across this reading, this may have some insights for you. This is a general reading for all the signs. So, please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have. At the end, we will also take some oracle messages and some channeled messages. So, please do stay till the end. All right. I have also uploaded a reading for October to December based on the zodiac signs on my channel. And you can watch the reading for your respective sign for October to December 2025 if you are interested in watching so. And let's see what do the cards have. Let's see what do the cards have here. What's the overall energy in love right now? What is happening in love right now? What's the overall energy in love? What's the overall energy in love? What's the overall energy in love? Okay. All right. Okay. So the here roles can be reversed. It can be you or your person. Anybody's feeling. So see how it connects with you. I see there is this sense of independence, maturity, self satisfaction. For some of you, I also see you are full of self love, self healing. This energy of being independent, happiness, joy, all that I'm seeing, and feeling fulfilled emotionally. That is what I'm seeing. That is a very good energy in love. All right. Okay, let's see what are your feelings here. Here, the reading can be if you're already staying together or in a committed relationship, or in the first stage of a relation, basically. So, this will connect with you. So let's see what are your feelings here in this for this connection. What are your feelings for this connection? What are your feelings for this connection in love? What are your feelings in this connection in love? Okay, let's clarify Ten of Swords. Let's clarify Ten of Swords. Okay, I'll take both. Okay, so what I see here is something painful happened. Now it can be your recent past energies or some kind of communication in your relation which has somewhere given you a kind of pain. Things were not how you expected to be. आपने जैसा सोचा था वैसा नहीं हुआ. Rather ये एकदम आपके expectation से completely different situation थी, which was very painful. There are chances that okay, now I'm getting it even more better, that there are chances कि आप किसी betrayal से overcome कर रहे हो, या आप किसी पेनफुल सिचुएशन से ओवरकम कर रहे हो. सो वट एवर हैपेंड हैज गिवन यू द क्लैरिटी to see things from a different angle, because I see it can be it can be a painful situation when it comes to expressing your love or managing your finances both. Okay, for some of you it will be both, for some of you it can be any one, but there were emotions. Yeah, there were emotions, and you did not get the expected outcome from the connection. Maybe you trusted this person and your trust was broken in a way which you never expected. Okay, and because of that you are not able to focus on your finances also, I'm seeing. Yeah, there's this energy of you know uh, heaviness when it comes to your heart. Your heart is have feeling heavy, like nobody's there to understand you. You are not able to express your pain with share your pain with anyone, and you're kind of dealing it silently, and because of that somewhere you're not able to focus on your finances. Okay. This can be the recent past energies also for some of you, and that is why the current energy is here, the feeling of fulfillment, self-love, independence, because you have come out of this kind of situation, and right now you are in this energy of feeling fulfilled, connected, independent, loved. Some of you, I also see, you would have, this betrayal, this situation has transformed you in a way that nobody expected, and now it's like you are somewhere, going through a spiritual awakening also. I see very pure at heart, very kind. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. That was painful. Okay, let's see what happened here. Let's try to understand what happened here in this connection. What were the energies here? What has happened here in this connection? You need to focus on your finances. Yep. Okay. You need to focus on your finances by being, confident, passionate towards your goal. At the same time, again, as I said, some of you might be going through spiritual awakening phase, the realization phase, awakening phase, a new birth. Like you have come out of this cocoon and now you're ready to fly. Okay. That's what I'm seeing. Yeah, you need to be confident, determined, and just like a queen, like you need to set boundaries wherever it is required and move towards your goal with all that love, passion, having that charisma in you. Okay, that is what I'm seeing. Okay, one more. Yeah. Yes, you need to focus on your growth. Okay, you need to focus on your finances, and you need to focus on your emotions or feelings, your heart, basically. Okay, both. So it's like emotions, materialistic things, emotions, all that is coming again and again. So somewhere I think for some of you, or it can be for very specific one, that you are not able to manage your emotions and finances because you have dealt with something which was somewhere which has broken your trust. आपका किसी ने विश्वास तोड़ा है, या कुछ ऐसी सिचुएशन हुई है जहाँ पे आप you were, it was kind of an end to a certain thing, and because of that आप अपने emotions और finances को balance करने में you were juggling. Okay, so now here for you, what you have to do is to balance your finances and emotion with confidence, determination, passionate energy. Okay, having that queen like attitude. It can be male, female, anyone. The main thing we are focusing here is the energy. So you need to be confident and move towards your goal with all the passion and that leadership quality, basically. Yeah, as I was saying, right, juggling. You are not able to balance your finances because you are having so much running in your mind. Okay, there are so many different kind of thoughts coming in. I don't know why this love reading is going towards your managing your finances and dealing with your thoughts. Maybe because of that, since you are not able to focus clearly on your finances, on your emotions, on your thoughts, you're not able to focus on your love life. That's what I'm getting. Yeah, that's very clear. Okay, so you need to figure out a way. As I said, stop juggling. You're not able to decide आपको कहाँ पे कितना अटेंशन देना है. आप प्रायोरिटाइज नहीं कर पा रहे हो चीज़ों को. आप एक चीज पे फोकस नहीं कर पा रहे हो, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट देयर इज ओवर थिंकिंग. सो मच ऑफ ओवर थिंकिंग इज गोइंग ऑन. आपके माइंड में अलग अलग थॉट्स आ रहे हैं, अलग अलग इमोशंस आ रहे हैं. कभी आपको लगता है आई शुड डू दिस, कभी आपको लगता है आई शुड डू दैट. सो यू आर नॉट एबल टू बेसिकली फोकस ऑन एनीथिंग, and somewhere I see it's impacting your health also because of overthinking. It can be an anxiety for some of you, going through a depressive stage in your life. Okay, let's see what is hidden here. What is that you are not seeing coming, what you don't see coming? Okay, let's see what you don't see coming. What happened? Okay, let's see what you don't see coming in the near future in your love life. What you don't see coming in the near future in your love life. what you don't see coming in the near future in your love life. Okay, somebody is, somebody is watching you from afar. Somebody is maybe watching your social media account, trying to get to know you, what is happening with you. And also I see there can be like this person is trying to get more information through mutual connections also, I'm getting. Okay, but this person, somebody is watching you from afar, that is very clear. Okay, it can be somebody from your friend circle, somebody, someone who is a common friend but not so common. Like you're not actually speaking to them directly, but it can be through a third party connection, right? It can be through mutual friends, somebody at a workplace. So that is what I see. And if you have isolated yourself, you need to, meet people. You need to be active, work towards your goal. As I said, you need to work towards your goal with passion. It can be something you might start of your own through a social media account. From there, you will start making new connections, which will help you to move ahead and come out of this painful energy, help you come out of this overthinking energy, is what I'm getting. Okay, one more on what you don't see coming. What you don't see coming. What are the challenges? Yeah. So it's like you need to, you need to walk away. You need to walk away from something which is not serving you for your highest good. Okay, if you are dealing with a situation which is just giving you overthinking, anxiety, and not letting you to think clearly, you need to walk away from that chaotic situation towards something which gives you mental peace and bring that calm, calmness in you, in your mind, in your emotions. Because right now you are dealing a lot when it comes to your emotions. So what you have to do is, if you are not already doing that, you need to do that. You need to walk away from the situation which is not giving you peace and just adding on to your anxiety. Yes, it's a movement card. That's a clear confirmation that you need to move on from the situation, move towards your goal, focus towards your goal. Okay, move ahead with confidence towards something which will take you, or open new doors for you to achieve your goals. Don't be in this stuck energy of not able to decide, thinking what has happened, and not moving ahead basically. So you need to walk away from the situation if you have not already done. First, I strongly feel you are still stuck in the past, still overthinking and not able to focus on things which are important for your growth. And that is what you should do. You should, if you want to start something of your own, you can do that, but walk away from the situation which is causing you trouble, as in not able to help you decide what you want. Because see, the king of wands and the queen of wands, so there is this energy. You need to be energetic, you need to be passionate towards your work. These both the cards are telling that you need to work towards your goal with so much of passion, courage, confidence, and having that leadership quality. Okay, because you have that capability to achieve your goal. Maybe for some of you, you are just doubting yourself, and having the trust issues, lost all the faith and confidence, low self-esteem also, I'm getting. So you need to come out of that negative low frequency and work towards your goal with confidence. Raise your vibrations. Okay, कम टू अ हायर फ्रीक्वेंसी. आपको अपने इस नेगेटिव माइंडसेट से बाहर आने की जरूरत है. यू नीड टू कम आउट ऑफ योर कंफर्ट जोन. सी अगेन, it's a very clear card that you need to come out of your comfort zone to see growth. Okay, because until and unless you come out of your comfort zone, you will not be getting the growth you are expecting in your finances or in your love life basically. Because you might be the one who has given बहुत, जिसने बहुत सारे एफर्ट्स किए हैं अपने रिलेशन में, और उसमें लाइक वट एवर यू गॉट वॉज नॉट समथिंग यू डिजर्व. ओके, तो आप अभी भी उसी एनर्जी में हो, तो आपको उससे बाहर आने की जरूरत है. समटाइम्स हमारा पेन हमारा कंफर्ट जोन बन जाता है, राइट? तो आपको उससे बाहर आने की जरूरत है. एंड वंस यू कम आउट ऑफ दैट कंफर्ट जोन, you will see growth. Okay, you will get the maybe the person in your life जो आपको रिस्पेक्ट करता हो, आपको एडमायर करेगा, जो आपकी रिस्पेक्ट करेगा. The person will treat you like a someone who deserve respect, love, care, okay, all that. So you need to come out, you need to shine, like you don't have to dim your light. आपको किसी और की वजह से अपनी लाइट डिम करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, that is what also I'm getting. Yeah, so the challenge here is I see that आप अपने comfort zone में अपने stuck energy में इतना ज़्यादा busy हो गए हो कि आप वो आपका comfort zone बन गया है, and now to come out of that comfort zone वो आपके लिए थोड़ा challenging हो रहा है. That is what I'm getting. So you need to definitely come out of your comfort zone to move ahead, okay, in your life. Okay, let's see what are the supports we have around you. What's the support we have around you? Yeah, there is somebody who is watching you from afar. Okay, as I said, somebody is watching your social media, somebody can be a mutual friend, and this person wants to make a move towards you. Maybe this person might approach you for marriage and settle in a foreign land with them. Okay, this person is very passionate. You have the support of people around you. If you feel you're not getting the support, just ask for it. Okay, you will definitely get the support. It's like I'm also getting that आपको यूनिवर्स से सपोर्ट मिल रहा है. ओके, somebody is coming towards you with that helping hand. मे बी आप आप किसी ऐसे कॉन्वर्सेशन, मे बी आप ऐसे ऐसे कुछ समथिंग विल कम अक्रॉस, आप रैंडमली कोई ऐसा मैसेज आपके पास आ जाएगा, आप कोई ऐसी बात आप सुन लोगे, या कहीं से कोई ऐसा मैसेज आपको कम्युनिकेट हो जाएगा. इट कैन बी थ्रू मूवीज, थ्रू सॉन्ग्स, थ्रू लाइक दो लोग बात कर रहे हैं और वो मैसेज आपके लिए है. समथिंग लाइक दैट इज कमिंग योर वे टू हेल्प यू गिव दैट motivation to move ahead in your life. Sorry, I also see somebody is coming towards you with all the courage, and someone who will take stand for you. Sorry, wow. Somebody who will take stand for you because time is changing. Okay, so this tough period will not last for long. Yeah, this is a very strong confirmation that a message is coming. Expect a communication happening in next 8 to 10 days from the time you are watching this reading, and the time is changing. Okay, so this tough time will not last forever. So does it happens with the good times also. So it's a cycle which keeps on changing. So if you are going through something which is very difficult, it will change, and you will get the support. You have the support from the universe, and if you feel you are not having that support, just ask for it. Okay, and you will definitely get the support. Okay, now one last card we'll take. What's the potential outcome? What's the potential outcome of this connection or this situation? Basically, what's the potential outcome in this situation? Yeah, what's the potential outcome in this situation? What is the potential outcome in this situation? What is the potential outcome in this situation? Okay, so I guess like you might be getting this energy. You might end up in this energy of not able to decide what do you want. Maybe there are two people approaching you. Okay, somebody who is planning to shift with you in a foreign land, and somebody who is very clear in their communication. Maybe a bit straightforward person who doesn't know to roam around the bushes, and very open in their communication. बहुत straightforward person है. मैनिपुलेट करते नहीं आता है चीज़ों को, जैसा है वैसा ही बोल देते हैं. आई सी देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ person coming in your life, और आपको you might stuck in this energy. Whom should I choose? What should I do? Should I focus? मैं अपने काम पे focus करूँ, मैं अपने emotions पे focus करूँ? There is this energy of not able to decide. Okay, let's get one more. What is the potential outcome in this connection or the situation? Let's get one more. Okay, yeah. And since you won't be able to decide, somewhere you might end up in a communication which might which will be very clear, At the bottom of the deck, we have the Lovers card. Okay, so somebody who is coming with this passionate energy, and you might be having thoughts of, making a move towards this connection, but you have to be very careful. If you are looking for something long term, be very careful in your communication. What kind of connection is that you are looking for? And don't be afraid of making a choice कंसीडरिंग व्हाट मेक्स यू फील गुड. ओके, जो आपको सही लगता है आपको उसके अकॉर्डिंग चॉइस करने की जरूरत है, ना कि जो दूसरों को सही लगता है आपके लिए. ओके, सो जस्ट लिसन टू योर इंट्यूशन एंड देन डिसाइड. डोंट रश. किसी भी हरी भरी में आके डिसीजन मत लीजिएगा. इमेच्योरली कोई डिसीजन मत लीजिएगा. बहुत केयरफुली अपने वर्ड्स को आपको यूज करना है व्हेन यू आर कम्युनिकेटिंग. और आपको ये भी ध्यान में रखना है कि आप अगर किसी से अपनी अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ शेयर कर रहे हो तो ओवर शेयर नहीं करना है. ठीक है, वो भी दैट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द मैसेज आई एम गेटिंग कि आपको ओवर शेयर नहीं करना है चीज़ों को. जितना ज़रूरी है सिर्फ उतना ही बताना है. ओके, एटलीस्ट इनिशियल स्टेज में. ओके, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट्स द एडवाइस फॉर यू. व्हाट्स द एडवाइस फॉर यू. व्हाट्स द एडवाइस फॉर यू. Okay, we have 5 cards. We'll take all. So it's the Sun card. So as I said, you need to come out of this stuck energies. Trust everything. Trust your intuition, and you will be given that guidance you're looking for. You don't have to dim your light. Okay, you don't have to dim your light. You need to come out of your comfort zone and then see things will start working out in your favor. You need to do something which makes you feel good. Okay, it can be learning new skills, starting something online, or starting a hobby again जो आपने पहले आपको इंटरेस्ट था आपने फिर नहीं किया. If you want, you can always start it. It will make you feel good. It will make you feel lightened and alive. Okay, you need to be careful whom you are sharing your things with. As I said, you don't have to overshare. Okay, you need to understand the energy of the person and then only share or come into a commitment or come to a conclusion for any kind of thing. As I said, some of you, I also see that there is a spiritual awakening happening. These both the cards are talking the same thing. So your universe is there to help you. Universe is there to support you. All you have to do is listen to your intuition and connect with the universe. Okay, so that is what the message I am getting for you. So just come out of this stuck energy of the past. Don't dim your light focusing on कि क्या हो गया, ऐसे क्यों हो गया. You don't have to waste your energy anymore on that. Okay, so just focus on your goal, focus towards your growth, and come out of this stuck energy. Be careful कि आप किससे कितनी information आपकी share कर रहे हो. Alright, now we'll take one guiding message from the angels deck, angels and ancestors deck, for this situation. Okay, we have animal guardian again. Trust your instinct. So it's no coincidence that again and again this message is coming in that you need to trust your intuition. It's this and this, right? You can see this like she's connected to the higher self, higher realms. Okay, from where the higher realms talk through instinct. Okay, so you need to listen to your instinct. If you are a pet lover, try to understand if your pet is trying to convey things to you. Okay, so just try to understand that also and listen to your instinct, and you will get the message on what you should actually do. It can be to come out of this stuck energy. It can be when it comes to coming to a conclusion for something new. आपने कुछ नया स्टार्ट किया है, कोई नया कनेक्शन है और आपको उसमें क्लैरिटी नहीं है. Listen to your intuition. Your intuition will tell you what is good for you and what is not. Okay, let's see one more message from the fairies deck. What do we have? What do the fairies have for you in this connection or situation? What are the messages we have from the fairies? What are the messages we have from the fairies? Okay, inspiration. Wow. Okay, be prepared as you will soon receive a visit from the fairy of inspiration. Come dusk or dawn, she'll call at any time. As I said, you have the support from all the 4 sides. See, It's like this is no coincidence that you are getting this message again and again. You need to listen to your intuition, and you are having support from the universe. It's just that you need to listen to it. Okay, you need to ask for it, and you never know in which way you will get that support. Okay, it can be a random phone call, it can be a random message, it can be a video. You are just watching YouTube and a sudden video comes in which will give a message to you. Okay, a sudden reel, कोई short आ जाएगा, कोई Instagram reel आ जाएगी, कोई normal post आ जाएगा जिससे आपको कुछ clarity मिल जाएगी. Okay, so you have to be open, you have to be in that receptive mindset. Okay, you have to be open to receive. Only then you will be able to communicate with the universe and understand the things. Okay, so yeah, let's see some channeled messages. We will take 3 channeled messages. Okay, we'll take this one. What is joy? Yeah, you need to bask in joy. Okay, stop being in this past energy ke, and low. Don't be in that lower frequency. Okay, bask in joy, be happy. Okay, and things will work. Intuition, wow. See again, you need to listen to your intuition. I don't know if you connect with your intuition or not. You need to do it. Do some meditation. Okay, do some meditation, do some meditation using crystals, and that will help you to overcome the past energies, overcome, help you overcome the past traumas. आपको outside world से ज़्यादा आपको inner voice सुनने में help होगा उससे. Okay, do some meditation. And it's like relations. So as I said, there are 2 people I see coming in, and if you are going to make a decision in your relation, for your relationship, be very careful what kind of energy you are getting from the person. आपको किस तरह की vibe आ रही है उस person से, उसके according फिर आप decision लीजिएगा अपने intuition को ध्यान में रखते हुए. Okay, yep. So that's the reading, guys. Please do claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have liked it, please do like this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.